Imagine a hospital's software accidentally exposes patient records or a medical device shows incorrect readings. The consciousness could be serious, not just financial losses, but risk to patient safety. That's why healthcare QA testing is one of the most important areas in software testing. In this video, we will understand what is what healthcare QA is. HIPAA, compliance testing, medical device testing, important test cases, skills needed to become a healthcare QA engineer. What is healthcare QA? Healthcare QA focuses on testing applications and devices used in hospitals, clinics, laboratories, pharmacies, and healthcare organizations. Examples include electronic health record EHR systems, hospital management systems, telemedicine applications, patient portals, medical devices, health monitoring applications. Since these systems handle sensitive patient sensitive patient information and sometimes directly affect patient treatment. Treatment quality standards are extremely high. First, HIPAA. Compliance testing. HIPAA stands for Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. It is a healthcare privacy and security regulation in the United States designed to protect patient information. As a QA engineer, one of our responsibilities is ensuring patient data remains secure and accessible only to authorized users. What is information must be protected. Examples include patient names, medical history, prescriptions, test reports, insurance information, contact details. This information is often called protected. Health information. PHIPAA, compliance test cases, access control testing, verify. Doctors can access patient records. Patients can access their records. Unauthorized users cannot access sensitive data. Login and authentication testing. Verify strong password policies. Multi-factor authentication. Account logout after multiple failed attempts. Audit trail testing. Verify system records, who viewed patient data, system records, modifications, and deletions. Audit logs cannot be altered. Data privacy testing verify sensitive information is encrypted. Patient data is protected during transmission. Confidential information is not exposed. Why HIPAA compliance matters? If patient data is leaked, patient privacy is compromised. Organizations can face legal penalties. Trust in healthcare services decreases. It is why HIPAA compliance testing is a critical responsibility for healthcare QA teams. Second, medical device testing. Medical devices often interact directly with patients. Examples include blood glucose monitors, ECG machines, heart rate monitors, patient monitoring systems, infusion pumps, diagnostics equipment. A small software defect can impact patient safety. Therefore, testing must be extremely through functional testing, verify device performs in device performs intended functions correctly, reading are accurate, outputs match expected results. Example, if a blood if a blood pressure monitor measures blood pressure, the displayed value should be accurate and reliable. Safety testing verify device handles unexpected situations safely. System then third, system displays warnings when needed. Device does not produce dangerous behavior. Example, if a sensor fails, the device should generate an altered alert instead of showing incorrect readings. Performance testing verify device response within acceptable time limits. Data processing is reliable. Device performs consistently under continuous usage. Connectivity testing. Many modern medical devices communicate with hospital systems. Verify data transmission is accurate, device synchronizes properly, information is not lost during transfer. Reliability testing verify device operates correctly for long periods, no crashes occur, no crashes occur, data remains constant. Healthcare Healthcare systems often run 24 by 7, making reliability extremely important. A real life scenario. Imagine a patient a patient monitoring device in a hospital. As a QA engineer, you should verify correct patient data is displayed. Alerts trigger when readings ex- exceed exceed limits. Data is transmitted to hospital systems. Historical records are stored correctly. Device uh, recovers properly after power interruptions. Skills required for healthcare QA. If you want to build a career in a healthcare QA, focus on manual testing, API testing, database testing, healthcare domain, healthcare domain knowledge, security testing basics, compliance testing, medical device regulations, automation testing, healthcare QA professionals are highly valued because their work directly impacts patient care and safety. Conclusion: QA is not just about findings bugs. A healthcare QA engineers helps ensure patient data remains secure. Healthcare regulations are followed. Medical devices function accurately. Patient safety is protected. This makes healthcare QA one of the most responsible and meaningful careers in software testing. If you find this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more QA software testing. See you in the next video.